Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of e-commerce SEO, which basically means the secret sauce that gets your online store noticed by all the right people. Imagine this. Millions of people are searching for amazing products just like yours, but they can't find you because your store is buried deep in the search engine jungle. That's where SEO comes in, your virtual map and compass to lead customers straight to your door. Here's the cool thing. SEO isn't just about stuffing a bunch of keywords into your product descriptions, although some sneaky competitors might try that. It's about understanding what your customers are searching for and becoming the ultimate resource. Think of it like creating the best online shopping advice column anyone's ever seen, specifically for your niche. Did you know that Google actually loves fresh, informative content? So, the more helpful blog posts and guides you create, the more likely you are to show up in search results. Plus, when people love your content, they're more likely to share it and link back to your website, which is like getting a gold star from Google in the SEO world. By combining keyword research, killer content, and a website that's easy to navigate, you can become the e-commerce superhero your target audience needs. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint, but with a little consistency, you'll be climbing those search engine rankings and turning website visitors into happy customers. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash the power of SEO and watch your online store thrive.